Earnings woes continue to hit Wall Street with lots of low growth projections.
Ferrari may rev up the IPO market.
And Star Wars fans crash online ticket sites in a rush to snag tickets.
Well, stocks are opening modestly lower so far here today. Verizon's profit topped expectations, and get this, it says its recent acquisition of AOL has already started to show results. It's also had success in retaining current customers. Lockheed Martin also beat earnings and revenue estimates. Its aeronautics and missile divisions were strong, but space revenue fell. And Brinker International, the restaurant company that owns Chilis and Maggianos as well as others, saw an increase in first quarter earnings per share. Scott?
And Jane, this morning was big for earnings, but you're also following two reports after the markets closed today.
A couple of biggies coming later today. We'll see how Chipotle is faring with increased competition. And Yahoo CEO Marissa Mayer will no doubt face a lot of questions in Yahoo's earnings report about a potential Alibaba spinoff. And Rhonda, everybody getting ready for Ferrari. Big day for them today and tomorrow.
That's right. The Ferrari IPO is expected to price later today. That means shares would start trading on the big board tomorrow. Now, the IPO range is $48 to $52 a share. That would raise about $1 billion. But there are thoughts here that Ferrari could come in at the top of that range. Fiat Chrysler currently owns most of Ferrari. It's selling off a 10% stake with this IPO, and of course it's highly anticipated. The market wants to see if a luxury brand fares better than other recent IPOs, which have had a lackluster performance. Meantime, we are seeing strong demand for Star Wars. Scott?
Quite strong demand, Rhonda. Star Wars fans were out in full force yesterday when tickets for the newest film in the franchise went on sale 2 months before the December release date. So many people were trying to snag tickets that sites like Fandango and MovieTickets.com crashed. Now, over in the UK, View Cinemas said 10,000 tickets were sold in the first half hour of the sale. Disney now runs Star Wars franchise after purchasing Lucasfilm for $4 billion 3 years ago. Rhonda, back over to you with some more headlines this morning.
Yeah, a few other things we're watching. Yum Brands making preparations to separate its struggling China business from its U.S. operations. That after some pressure from an activist investor. Also, United has named Brett Hart, the general counsel, as acting CEO. That's as its current CEO, Oscar Munoz, recovers from a heart attack suffered last week. That is it for us. Keep checking in with TheStreet.com for news and analysis all day long.